My name's Anita Lathom. I came to work at SCBCS in 2012, and I'm the assistant CEO. I've always wanted to be a teacher. As a child, I, graded my own papers and stuff like that. So that was something that my mother said would be automatic that I was going to be a teacher. But I got my bachelor's degree at USC in elementary education, got my counseling degree from our master's at Winthrop, and then I went on and got my specialist degree at Converse College in administration. I love children. I think that's the reason a lot of teachers get into education, but I like making a difference in children's lives. Going back to my background, I've worked at Department of Juvenile Justice, that age group and those children. So it's just being able to help children all the way around. I like just knowing that I can help students, or that we help students who, for whatever reason, are not successful in a traditional brick and mortar school. We have certified guidance counselors in all grade levels at the school, so that's immediate help, somebody that's certified. Our teachers in middle school, for example, they're in teams, so the students are dealing with the same group of teachers. At the high school level, we have, and also grades K to 12, we have town hall meetings, and it's where the teachers attend, counselors attend, all the families are invited. So if they do have any questions or they're struggling or anything, it'd be a time for Q&A at that time to help them overcome whatever issues they're having. And we have a call center also that's, available at all times. It's a good place, for some families, for many different reasons, to get their education and be successful.